Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. A garden brimming with beautiful colorful flowers like chrysanthemum is every gardener's delight. A winter garden would be incomplete without these perennials, often called mums. The ones that usually watch our videos saw that how many chrysanthemum flowers we had in our winter garden. After winter, my mom had cut the plant and she just left 1 to 2 inches above the soil part of the plant. But surprisingly, those plants got so bushy and started to have birds also. In the past few days in Delhi, it was raining. For that, the Delhi doesn't has too much hot in here. This has not only happened with us. All over Delhi, many gardeners have faced this. But what should we do with this situation? Shall we keep the flowers or trim it for the next season? In some few plants, there is also insect attack. What my mom is doing is she wants to keep these flowers to see what is the quality of the flowers. Usually, my mom reports these plants in end of June or July. And to obtain these flowers, my mom weekly gives kitchen waste fertilizer to these plants. And for the insect attack, what my mom usually does is to spray bioenzyme to the foliage. You all must have surely known that what is bioenzyme and how to make it free of cost at your home. But if you still don't know how to make it, you can go to our channel and watch that playlist. Just give 5 ml of bioenzyme in 1 liter of water and then thoroughly spray on the foliage. It acts as an insecticide and as well as a plant booster. But now we still don't know the answer if we are going to get flowers out of the bud or is it going to dry. As if Delhi's temperature goes above 42 degrees Celsius, chances are that they will die. We will surely keep you updated about this, and if you also have a problem like this in your garden, you can watch this video and I hope it can help you. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.